This time I am in an Urdu school, upgraded middle school, Urdu, Sigdadi. It is. You can see on the wall there is written upgraded Urdu middle school, Sigdadi, and with me there are some teachers of this school, but basically to whom I am to talk has been here as the principal in charge. He is the principal in charge of an Urdu medium school, but he speaks English like a prominent English teacher. So let's talk to him and through him try to know about this school and try to collect the information regarding the academic standard of this school. Please come with me. I am to talk to the principal in charge of this school. Sir, you are welcome in our channel. You come close.
You are also welcome to my school.
What's your name?
My name is Shabbir Ansari.
Since how long you have been here as a principal in charge?
I have been posted in this school in 2017, and since the transfer of previous headmaster Muhammad Mushtaq Alam in 2018, I have been in charge.
It means that since 2018 you have been here as the principal in charge. How many teachers are posted in this school, including you?
There are 6 teachers, and recently one ICT instructor has been posted here, Mr. Dinesh Kumar Verma.
All in all?
All in all, 7 teachers, but one teacher from my school has been deputed in Bhandari Urdu Kanya School, Miss Sahida Parveen. So presently we are 6 teachers.
6 teachers have been teaching here.
Yeah.
Among them, how many males?
3 male, 3 female.
3 male
3 female.
and 3 female.
Yeah.
It is an Urdu medium school. Yeah. So, what is about the Urdu teacher? Is there any special Urdu teacher posted here?
No, especially there is no any Urdu teacher specifically, but Tanveer sir.
You come close, Mr. Tanveer.
Tanveer sir teaches Urdu to the students.
Tanveer sir is not a proper Urdu teacher. He has been teaching Urdu in this school backshiftly. So what is the condition of the students here, basically in Urdu, since it is an Urdu medium school? And apart from Urdu, what is the condition of the other subjects too?
It is an Urdu school, but only one subject of Urdu is taught here. And like other schools, other subjects are taught here. So one subject Urdu is being taught by Tanveer sir, and it's good. Students are very well in Urdu speaking and in written form also.
You have given me the information about the quantity of the teachers.
Yeah.
6 teachers are here teaching to the students. Talking about the students, how many students are here?
In total, 211 students are there presently.
Among them, girls.
About 110 girls and 100 boys students.
50%?
50%.
Talking about the basic of facilities which the students should be given in a school, like drinking water, toilets, and something else, So what is the condition of the these types of facilities, basic facilities?
All the facilities are available, but especially toilets are not in very good condition. We have talked to the local Mukhia, Jamila Parveen, and her husband, Aftab Mirza, about this, and he has come here and visited the condition of the toilet, and he has promised to give from his quota some money to improve the condition of the toilet.
Problem of toilet. You have talked to the local representative about it. And talking about other things, what is the condition? Drinking water.
Drinking water, as far as drinking water is concerned, I have a hand pump, and we have installed a machine inside it, and through pipe connection we store water, and there is hand wash unit also. So basically no problem, I think there is.
Boundary wall is not seen here. boundary wall is not seen here. You are saying there is the problem of water only here and drinking facilities available here. The boundary wall is not seen here. So are you not making any kind of effort?
Actually, no need to make any kind of effort because the school has no land for it. This is the only land the school.
Oh my
has.
God!
This
Is the only
Only
land. You know, you can see the paved blocks which is being seen here from here to there. This is the only land the school has, and this talking about this particular ground, which belongs to someone else.
This is
Someone
some personal
else.
person-
So
this is
the
some personal
students of this school are playing in this particular field.
Yes.
Is there any problem regarding playing or doing other activities of the school in this particular ground?
No problem. This is very kind of the person who purchased this land. He does not have any problem. We use this land for our prayer. And
What will happen, sir? What will happen if the person particular will erect here a boundary wall?
Then I will face a problem of making prayer in my school. So an arrangement I have tried to make because there was a dilapidated building which we have demolished by the order of the government, by the order of the department, and some place there is available now. If there will be any problem, we will shift our prayer and other activities to the.
In short, I would like to know about the academic standard, which is most important thing. How the students are being taught by the teachers of this school.
Very nice. As far as we are making very hard efforts, and all the teachers are working very hard, and the academic standards of this school children, in my view, are very good, and the children are also very disciplined, and they are also working very hard with the teachers. And in the prayer session, we always ask GK questions repeatedly, and we get very good answers from the teachers.
Talking about the dedication and the punctuality of the teachers. Are the teachers dedicated of this school? Are they coming to the school daily? Are they coming daily in time? Talking about the biometrical, attendance. What is the condition?
Very good conditions. All the teachers are very punctual. All the teachers are very disciplined because they are local. So they reach the school at least by 8:45, before 15 minutes. And all the biometric attendance are made in time, and they stay the full time. They stay full time in school, and after 3 p.m. then they make their attendance biometric.
Are you getting positive outcomes also among the students of the labor of the students, in fact teachers?
Yeah. Very positive outcome, and we organize time to time tests to review it, and those who come first or second, or those who get ranks, we try to facilitate them, we try to reward them.
Thanks for talking. The principal in charge of this school was talking with me about the issues, about the facilities, about the academic standard of this particular school, which is Urdu Upgraded Middle School, Sigdade. Thank you very much.